Hi Scholar, I am glad to know you have interest in watching this video. So welcome to Post Scholar's channel. By the grace of God, I believe you will learn something by the end of this video. So the title of this video is Algebraic Equation in Order Number Basis. Right now, we have just a single example we are going to solve together. And the example says, find the value of x in 1011 base 2 plus x base 2 plus 1001 base 2 equals 11101 base 2. We start by writing solution, then the question, which says 1011 base 2 plus x base 2 plus 1001 base 2 equal 11101 base 2. Now, in order for you to solve this question, you need to understand the mission. For every mathematical problem, there's always a mission. Now, what's the mission? The mission in this particular question is for you to find the value of x, right? Because that's what the question says, find the value of x. Then you have been given an information that the base of the value of x must be what? 2. It simply means that the digits you must get for x must not be greater than 2 or equals to 2 rather. So what we are going to do now is we'll collect like them. Simply means you combine this and this together, right? So we have x base 2 plus, take note, there's an invisible plus here, so plus 1011 base 2, then plus this particular one 1001 base 2 equals the right hand side 11101 base 2. Now take note, we have two parts, the left hand side and the right hand side, right? So what we'll do next is we are going to sum up these two. We are going to add these two. To do that, we have 1011 plus 1, that's this particular one, 1001, all in base 2. And when we add 1 plus 1 equals 2. We can't write down 2, but we can say how many 2 can you find in 2? This 2 represents the base, while this one represents the sum of this and this. So what do we have? We have 1 remainder, what? 0. So you write down your remainder, which is 0, and you carry 1, right? Same thing, 1 plus 1 again equals 2. You can't write down 2. You follow this process. You write down your 0 and you carry 1. Now, 1 plus 0 gives 1. Then 1 plus 1 is also equals to 2. Follow this process. You write down your 0 and you carry 1. So the final answer is 10100 when we added these two parts. So you combine it by saying x square. Remember, now we have added these two. What do we get? We got 10100. So write it down, plus 10100 base 2, then equal to the right hand side. And what's the right hand side? This is the right hand side, right? The right hand side, which is 11101 base 2. Now the mission, like I said, is for us to find the value of x. Now this particular term is disturbing us, so what we can do is to subtract. There's a plus sign here, so to get rid of this particular term, you have to subtract it. So we are going to subtract 10100 base 2 from left hand side and right hand side. When we do that, you will see that this particular term will get eliminated, because plus 2 minus 2 is 0, plus 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So when we do that, we are left with s base 2 equal, this particular term now is gone, equal 11101, which is the right hand side base 2, minus this particular term, you can see it, which is 10100 base 2. Now this particular term has left the left hand side. It has now been transferred to the right hand side. We achieve that by subtracting it from both left hand side and right hand side. Now we have x base 2 is equal to, what do we do next? We subtract these two terms. And when we subtract these two terms, we do that by saying 11101 base 2 minus 10100 base 2. So let's go. 1 minus 0 is 1, right? 0 minus 0 is 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So the final answer is s base 2 is equal to, take note, this 0 is insignificant. So the final answer is 1001 base 2. So therefore, x, since they both have the same base, we can say that x is equal to 1001. That's our final answer. I believe it is well understood.